Hello there. In this video, I'll be showing you how to enable encrypted protocols like SSH, HTTPS, and SCP for secure management of the devices, especially when it comes to Cisco devices. I have done the same thing in other vendor devices like Fortinet and Dell as well. I have worked on HP switches as well, so I have done the same type of configuration. So it's very helpful to understand how to enable secure protocols on your LAN devices. Of course, less secure protocols like Telnet, HTTP should be turned off. So I will cover that as well in these steps. So let's go ahead and configure this switch that I have, and let's secure it. So first thing I want to basically do in this switch is really give it the basic configuration that we need when deploying a switch. So if I do, let's give it a host name of core switch 01. And then one thing I have mentioned is you need a domain name. Domain name, I'll just give it ccs.local. And now we can generate the crypto key. RSA, and we will give it 2048 modulus key. Now the second thing we will do is just give it a username. I'll call it admin underscore CCS, and password. You can give any password actually. Cisco123 CCS. And now let's enable secret password. Secret CCS underscore Cisco123, and let's encrypt this secret password in the configuration file by putting service password encryption. That will basically encrypt the secret password or the enable password that's on the file. And now here it comes, the first step you need to do is basically turn off HTTP protocol. So no IP HTTP server. That's the first command. And now we will enable secure HTTP, which is HTTPS. So IP HTTP secure server. So that was the first step. The second thing that we need to do is enable IP SSH version 2. And the last is really if you want to transfer files from the switch to a TFTP server, you need to use a secure protocol. So it's a good habit to enable IP SCP server enable. So this will enable secure copy for file management, so this is important. And now let's secure the VTY channels. Line VTY 015, and you will say transport input SSH. So this will only accept SSH as your protocol to log into the switch from remote location. And last but not the least, you can also provide a timeout in case there is no activity for 15 minutes and 0 seconds. The session will time out. The last thing I would always put is basically transport preferred none. And this basically eliminates any long wait of mistyped commands in the VTY. And here you go. This is the configuration that you will have on a Cisco device on the network, either if it's a multi-layer switch, any access switch, and any type of virtual switch, or any of the other switches that you have on the network. These are the steps that you need to follow. And in the end, I would always save it. There you go. So if I do show running config, one thing you will notice is the enabled password will be encrypted, which is great. The username and the password we entered is also encrypted because of the command that we added. And last but not the least is you can see the VTY configuration right here. And with this I conclude the video. I hope you have liked it. Please like and subscribe for more. Thank you very much.